Forgotten username recovery failed on Emma Business Fix. If your Emma Business username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume Emma still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Emma now uses your registered email as the primary login method, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Emma Business app or visit the website. Enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for messages from Emma, such as transaction alerts, account statements, or payment notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't arrive immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, make sure to log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Tip 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Emma Business Support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the truth is simple. Emma removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your Emma Business account in minutes.